Hi everyone, welcome to Vocal Academy. See this problem. Here one matrix given here. So and this is a 4 by 4 matrix. So in that matrix, two variables are missing. That is A and here B is missing. So and given that two informations that act as a clue for to solve this problem. That is det of that matrix given as 100 and trace of that matrix given as 14. Then how can you find the value of modulus of A minus B? This is the problem. So by using these clues, we can easily find A and B value, then substitute that values in this equation, then we get the required value. So let's see here. So first of all, what is trace? Trace means sum of all the diagonal elements, nothing but a trace. So that is A plus 5 plus 2 plus B. So these are the diagonal elements. That is A, 5, 2, B. So sum of all the elements, it is given as 14. That is 14. So from this we'll get A plus B equal to 14 minus, so 5 plus 2 7. So bring this on the right hand side, it becomes 14 minus 7. So that equal to A plus B equal to 7. So let's consider this is equation 1. Now find det, that is already given as 100. Equal with 100, we will get one equation in terms of A and B. So let's see here. So det of the matrix is A 0 3 7 2 5 1 3 0 0 2 4 0 0 0 B. So when you observe carefully here, in this matrix, fourth row having more zeros. So with the help of fourth row, I am going to find det very easily. So let's see here. So first of all, find the signs. So we know here this is a plus sign, it becomes minus, here plus, here minus. So in the fourth row starting is minus sign, so it becomes plus, minus, plus. So generally we are doing with first row. Now I am going to take with last row, okay, because it having more zeros. 0 into det of minus 0, 0 into det of its minus 0, 0 into det of minus 0. So B into, so this row, this column and this row will be removed. So remove is det of A 0 3 2 5 1 0 0 2. Now similarly in this matrix also find that with the help of last row. So here plus minus plus, so it will become minus plus, okay. B into, so 0 into det of its minus 0, so 0 into det of its minus 0, next 2 is remains 2 into det of its minor, that is B into 2 into det of its minus. So this column and this row will be removed. So minor is A 0 to 5. It becomes 2B into, so cross multiply it, it becomes 5A minus 0. Thus be given as det is 100. So from this we get 2B into 5A, that's equal to 100. So from this we get 10AB equal to 100. So from this we will get AB equal to 10. So this is second equation. Now by solving these two equations we will get A and B value. So this is a basic problem, okay. So when you substitute B value in terms of A in this equation, we will get equation in terms of A as a quad equation. So instead of that I am going to use that shortcut method, that is by the analysis of numbers. So what values if you substitute in this equation, we will get 7 10. Means the two numbers are there. If you add the two numbers, it gives 7. If you product that two numbers, that number is 10. So what will you get here? Suppose 5 into 2 is there. If you product these two numbers, we will get 10. So if you add these two numbers, we will get 7. So these two numbers are satisfied these two equations. So one number is considered as A value. So let's consider 5 is as A and B considered as 2. Now modulus of A minus B. So modulus of A is 5 minus 2, that's equal to 3. Or consider A is 2 and B equal to 5. Due to modulus, it becomes plus 3 only. That is modulus of 2 minus 5, nothing but 3 only, no change. Okay, so the required value is 3 for the given problem. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.